Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed help from QuickBooks support or wanted to connect your account with other apps, you've probably been asked for your company ID, but where exactly do you find it in QuickBooks Online? Don't worry. In this full guide, I'll show you step by step how to find your company ID quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. In the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Click that now. Enter your email and password carefully. If you can't remember your password, just use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Super simple. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage all your business finances. Now, look for the settings icon. It's usually shaped like a little gear in the upper right or on the sidebar. Click it to open your account management options. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and find the option called Account and Settings, or sometimes Additional Info. Go ahead and click that. Here's the important part. Within the Additional Info section, you'll see your company ID displayed clearly. This is a unique number that identifies your QuickBooks Online company. It's what the support team and integrations use to recognize your account specifically. Once you've found it, make sure to write it down or save it securely. Never share it publicly since it's linked directly to your business account. After saving it, just click OK to confirm and return to your main QuickBooks interface. And that's it. You've successfully found your QuickBooks Online Company ID. Quick, easy, and 100% accurate. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover any other QuickBooks features. Next, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.